मुश्किल लग रहा है आपको हंसे बगैर रहना मुझे. I ruined your link already.
We're back at After Hours with the ever prankster Adil Hussain.
Yeah.
Adil, I know कि आप और चीजें भी करते हैं. You paint and draw.
Yeah.
You take some great photos.
Thank you.
You've taken some amazing shots of me. You're
Thank
always
you.
photographing.
I have some more. Do you want them?
Yes,
Should I
please
just
send
upload
to
them
me.
on my Insta?
If they're good.
Will you let me make my own captions?
You always make your own captions.
I know.
और आपका एक और account है जिस पे आप अपनी creative photography और ये चीजें डालते हैं. Which is cell phone photography, but it's fantastic.
Yeah.
And it's called Visor Canada.
Yeah. I call it Visor. It's Visor Canada, but I don't
Canada.
blame people for not even being able to pronounce it.
I want to say Visor Canada.
हाँ सब कनाडा ही बोलते हैं उसको. बोला कनाडा, आप कनाडा जाना
तो वो
चाहते
क्या
हैं?
है account और Visor Canada क्या है?
भाई वाइजर एक ज़माने में जब मैं शुरू में ड्रामे कर रहा था और थोड़ी कॉर्पोरेट फिल्म्स कर रहा था तो मुझे शौक था कि मेरी अपनी कंपनी हो.
तो अपनी कंपनी का नाम
तो मैंने
Visor
कंपनी का नाम सोचा था वाइजर.
का. And what's Canada?
और वाइजर इसलिए था क्योंकि we're all seeing everything from a layer. So like it's
Profound.
creative. You know, okay, like we're not even seeing the world as it
How
is.
deep and
And then I thought this is too deep. So what do I add in front of it? So I wanted it quirky. And Kaneda is my favorite Japanese anime character.
from what show?
From a feature-length animation called Akira. वो लाल रंग की मोटरसाइकिल चलाता था, उसके हाथ में रॉकेट लॉन्चर होता था, बड़ा
I've heard of
जबरदस्त.
Akira.
हाँ.
Are you into anime?
I was very into anime initially.
Can you do a Japanese accent? It's morbidly cultural.
これは辛いですか? これは本です. これは辛いですか is like
I
this is
can
my
do like
wife.
the last.
And これはリンゴです is this is an apple.
Ringu desu.
Ringu is apple.
Ringu desu.
これはリンゴです.
मुझे बताएं कि you've also lived in Ireland.
Yeah.
What did you study there?
I did my bachelor's in MIS, Management Information Systems, and I did a master's in marketing.
Did you like Ireland? Where in
I
Ireland?
loved
were you?
Ireland.
कहाँ पे थे?
मैं Dublin में था.
Can
I
you do
loved
an
it.
Irish accent?
I can't really, it's going to be shameful, I'll be embarrassed. But it's a bit of like the R's roll, and
yeah,
it's like,
it'll roll
Adil, they
Rs.
used to call me Adil, how you doing? Adil.
Adil, how are you doing?
And I was a waiter there. The whole Dublin और waiter का experience, वो मेरे लिए बहुत अहम रहा है.
Why?
Because मैं waiter की नौकरी से बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ.
क्या
जिंदगी
सीखा
में.
आपने वेटर की नौकरी से?
लोगों से डील करना apparently सिर्फ वहीं काम आया ये.
यहाँ लोगों से कैसे डील करते हैं?
नहीं मज़ा आया. वेटर की नौकरी बहुत मज़े की है. वो लोगों को खाना आप देते हैं, उनको केटर करते हैं, बहुत मेमोरी आपकी बेहतर होती है. ऑर्डर्स, बर्थडेज, फुटबॉल गेम्स, इट्स वेरी हम्बलिंग.
It is, okay.
You disappear after a while. People just want their order and they want you to leave and they give you a tip. So you're like this invisible person walking around
Does
parties.
it make you more conscientious to other people?
Yeah, it makes you
The
more
wait
conscientious.
staff here.
Yeah, the food industry, the service industry in general.
You
वो है ना.
develop a regard for them.
आपने कराची की रेस्टोरेंट कल्चर और लाहौर में फ़र्क थोड़ा सा फील होता है आपको?
कराची और लाहौर के रेस्टोरेंट कल्चर में?
कि कराची वाले ज़रा रेडी होते हैं जी, बट लाहौर में ज़रा थोड़ा सा लेड बैक.
लाहौर में सब कुछ laid back है.
है ना?
लाहौर में इंडस्ट्री भी laid back है. लाहौर में लोग भी laid back हैं. लाहौर, and I love Lahore. I'm a Lahori.
Dublin was lovely, they're very good people, अच्छे लोग हैं. अब जब ये दुनिया के हालात हुए हैं तो अब मुझे अंदाज़ा होता है कि उस वक्त भी उनका कल्चर बड़ा वो वाले गोरे नहीं जिस तरह हम लोग सोचते हैं ना, अमेरिकन, इंग्लिश
नहीं,
गोरे.
we love the Irish because
Yeah.
वो भी they've been occupied.
Yeah.
They've been colonized.
Their politics is really
Their
amazing.
politics is amazing. They're the only nation standing for one of the only.
And they're very encouraging people. मैं waiter
They're
होता था.
standing for Palestine, which I think is so commendable.
It's absolutely amazing.
You know, they're very cool people, except for Bono. I'm no longer that crazy about him, but the
Yeah,
Irish are
I've seen
cool.
the gate of his house, Bono's
You've seen
house.
you've seen Bono's gate?
I've seen Bono's gate.
Have you now?
Yeah, it
That's
had like all
terrible.
these scribbles happening and I was like, okay, उतर के देख नहीं सकते. तो आयरलैंड उस तरह बहुत अच्छा था कि वो बड़ा समझते हैं पूरी दुनिया की पॉलिटिक्स को.
Yeah.
और बड़ा इनकरेज किया वहाँ मुझे लोगों ने. मैं वेटर की नौकरी कर रहा था, मैं कहता मुझे एक्टर बनना है, तो कहते हैं हाँ बहुत अच्छा होगा. यहाँ एक्टिंग करने के बाद भी लोग छुड़वाते रहते हैं कि बेटा क्या है
क्या
इसमें,
करना है
so
इसमें,
like
क्या?
so you have to give credit where it's due. बड़े स्पेशल साल वहाँ गुजरे हैं.
Chalo, I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Ireland sounds like an amazing place. I would love to go.
Yeah, I also went there early. I was like, I had just on the turn of my 20th birthday.
Oh,
so
is this when you had like a really pretty Irish girlfriend also?
I lived there like a normal person does. So yeah, I was never ashamed of any of it.
Did I just out you? Do you want me to cut this
No.
part
I
out?
have pictures still on my Instagram of my friends and उस पर भी एक दफा comment आया था. ये पता नहीं क्यों सब लड़कियों के साथ तस्वीर क्यों अपलोड कर दी है इसने.
Do you want to get married?
I think anyone would say yes, but I would want to have a maybe there's an expectation problem here, you know. लोग कहते रहते
आप क्या expect कर रहे हैं बताएं एक
पता
औरत
नहीं.
से खातून
Fun.
से Fun. Is that what you're looking for?
I call
in a
it dancing now, you know, like you just marry somebody who dances with you well. बस अब भी सारी वो list और उससे समझ नहीं आ सकता. Sort of जिंदगी इतनी busy हो गई है. सब लोग आपको अपोजिंग चीज़ें बताते रहते हैं कि बेटा आप शादी की 2 साल बाद ये होता है, असल में शादी ये है, बच्चे मुझे एक तो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन रिसीव करने का कोई शौक़ नहीं है, और ना मैं कभी अपने घर वालों से किसी से भी नहीं सुनता था। मे बी इसका वो अर्ली ट्रैवलिंग की वजह से हो गया। So I'm like kind of like stubborn that you can make a really good life if you don't listen to too much nonsense.
Okay,
so I have to be
enough.
with somebody who also has a good barrier for nonsense.
Okay.
Yet I can get a word in, you know.
I hope you find that person.
Hana,
And
it's
I'm sure
tough
she's
because
out
you
there
have to
looking
give
for
the
you.
other person a walkie-talkie.
Coming back to plays,
Yeah.
we have done 2 dramas together.
Yes.
Which one did you enjoy doing more? Aakhir Kab
Oh,
Tak
that's a
Ya
tough one. Huh?
Ghair?
That's your best question. Okay, look, I don't compare projects. And Ghair is a phenomenal experience. Ghair में जो हमारी secondary cast है, मैं उस तरह की cast के साथ पहले कभी काम नहीं
Oh,
किया.
what a cast.
So many
What a
numbers.
Amazing. Oh my God. The senior cast is unbelievable.
Yeah. So इतने ज़्यादा नाम, तो गैर का मेरे लिए मज़ा बहुत अलग है और बहुत ज़्यादा है. मैं बहुत enjoy भी कर रहा हूँ उसको, और आखिर कब तक was just one of those, you know, you didn't know what's going to happen. The anxiety of it is different.
It's a different play.
It's a different play, and
Yeah.
plus it's the only time मैंने पुलिस वाले का रोल किया है, जो कि
Yes.
उस वक्त as a whatever so called romantic या हमारे ड्रामों की जो
So you
type
did a
casting.
great job.
Thank you,
And
but I was
think-
very nervous.
I think we had a great time on that set also. Like the chemistry was fun, and
Yeah.
Javeria was working with
I had a
her.
very good time with आखिर कब तक. In fact, जब गैर ऑन हुआ था तो मैंने 1-2 एपिसोड्स देखे थे. You know, जब ये मैंने कमेंट पढ़ा ना कि अदील हुसैन ने भी बोटॉक्स करा लिया, मैंने कहा शायद मैंने आखिर कब तक मैं बिल्कुल ही धाड़ करके जाने दी, because I was playing a cop, right? बिरयानी खा के पेट निकाल के
You, yeah,
करके.
and you,
I went for it.
you went for it. And
So I YouTubed it. I said maybe really like I've made people forget that I can like clean up.
you work out
Clean up
like
again.
a beast, and you look fantastic. Are you
Thank
working
you.
out regularly still?
Yeah, I'm working out regularly now. I'm a bit of an addict now at this stage.
आपने अपनी कमर को भी कोई मसला कर लिया था गैर की शूट से पहले?
हाँ, वो एक deadlift जरा ज़्यादा enthusiastic deadlift was done, and
Deadlift मार देती है मुझे, एक permanent injury है.
Really?
Because of a deadlift.
yeah, no, I'm enjoying the strength training.
Yeah.
शुक्र है उस वक्त कर लिया, बातों में actually बातों में हो गया, और थोड़े मुझे फायदे पता चल गए, and I'm just maintaining. But it looks like I'm a gym freak, which I'm not.
Well,
Only John Abraham is. I'm not. I don't even like the gym.
Do you like the John Abraham comparisons?
I don't mind it.
they annoy
That's in the eyes of the beholder, as they say. But I'm partial to Michael Fassbender, if you must ask. आपको पता है जरा मैं हॉलीवुड में ज़्यादा घुसता हूँ ना creatively.
हाँ, वो I think हम सारे
हाँ ना?
हमारी ज़्यादा discussions Hollywood पे ही होती हैं.
हाँ. कि
That's
मुझे
where we
तो
connect.
धूम 3 में नहीं होना.
धूम किस चीज़ में होना है?
हाँ, thriller, episodic, investigator. You know, just amp up the production a little bit.
I think we'll get there.
हाँ,
I
मैं
think-
चाहता हूँ हम शहरों में निकलें, you know,
शहरों
कहानियों में.
घरों से जरा बाहर
है ना,
निकलें.
घरों से निकलें.
एक तो मुझे एक चीज़ समझ नहीं आती पाकिस्तानी ड्रामों की, and I was bringing it up, कि हम दिखाते हैं कि हीरो शदीद अमीर है, right? और बहुत बड़े बिजनेसेस संभाल रहा है,
सही.
right? So मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में जो लोग बहुत बड़े बिजनेसेस संभालते हैं, उनकी जिंदगी का क्रक्स या न्यूक्लियस जो होता है, जो उनके दिन whatever their life and days revolve around, should not be the issues of like cousins and औरतें at home.
I hear you.
It's like, why do you care so much? कि
I hear you, but
उन्होंने
even
मेरी-
बादशाह भी ऐसे ही थे, मतलब जंगें भी हुई हैं ख़वातीन पे, so
नहीं
I get
जंगी
what
हो
you're saying.
सकती है खवातीन पे, बट बादशाह ये नहीं कहते थे कि तुमने चाय में इतनी चीनी क्यों डाल दी मेरी
पता
माँ
नहीं
के
वो क्या
लिए?
कहते होंगे बादशाह कि तुम्हारी वजह से ये मुल्क छिन गया. But yeah, conflict is interesting to
Like,
me.
don't you guys go to work?
हाँ, no,
Because
I know,
if you're
I know,
at
it's-
work, if you're running this business, even in Ghair, you're running this major business, why aren't you at
he has
work?
too much money.
He has too much
He
money.
has too much money to healthily get over his ex, you know. He's like, maybe I'll carry this for longer. But that's what I like about Farjad's character, you know. I have my own reasons जो मैं ज़्यादा बता नहीं सकता, because कहानी you end up revealing the story. But I like Farjad because of his curve, you know, his story curve. So the beginning was very challenging.
Thank you so much. On that note, we're going to take a break. We'll be right back.